Hello, and thank you for joining us. In today's video, we will show you how to install RAM into your iMac. Always be sure to select the right RAM for your iMac. Step 1. You're going to locate the RAM box on the back of your computer. Step 2. In this step, we're going to find the RAM release button. This is located underneath the RAM box. We're going to push it in, and this is going to release the cover. I used a binder clip to do this. The next step, we're going to remove the RAM cover. Make sure to set this aside so you don't lose it. Once you remove those, you'll now have access to the gray tabs. These are your gray release tabs. Go ahead and push those in and your RAM slots will slide out. Step number 5. In this step, you will install your RAM. You're going to be placing this into an empty slot with this sticker side down. And it is a little hard to get in there, and make sure you press firmly. In this step, you're going to place the RAM holder back into position. Go ahead and just push up until you hear both sides click lightly. Step 7. In this step, you're going to replace the RAM cover box. Go ahead and just put it back into place. It doesn't matter if it's right side up or right side down. It does go both ways. Make sure you press real firm because it is real tight to get back in there. Step number 8. Now that everything's back together, you're able to go ahead and plug it in. Step 9. Go ahead and power your machine back on and get ready for the awesomeness. Yay! Step number 10. We made it, guys. Your iMac should now recognize the RAM. Let's double check this. Go ahead and go to your Apple icon. Click About This Mac. Once that opens, you should see that your RAM has been installed. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys back soon. Please subscribe to our channel. If you guys have any special requests, please submit them below. Thank you.